In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Kit for sending email. We'll walk through everything you need to do from inside your Kit account so that by the end, you're ready to send a professional email broadcast to your audience. I'll go slowly and explain why each step matters so you're not just clicking around, but actually understand what you're setting up. First, start by opening Kit and heading to the settings area. You'll usually find this as a small gear icon, often in the lower left or upper right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked that, look for the email section. This is where you configure the basic details Kit needs before it can send anything on your behalf. Inside the email settings, you'll want to add or confirm your from email address. This is the address your subscribers will see in their inbox as the sender. Make sure this is an address that looks trustworthy and that you actually have access to, since Kit may require verification. While you're here, enter your physical mailing address as well. Many email laws and providers require a physical address in the footer of your messages, and Kit uses this information to keep your broadcasts compliant and reduce the chance of your emails going to spam. Once your basic email settings are saved, it's time to create your first broadcast. Navigate to the Send section in Kit, then choose Broadcasts. This is where you manage one-time campaigns that go out to your list, like announcements, promotions, or newsletters. Inside Broadcasts, click the option labeled New Broadcast. This will start the process of creating a new email. Kit will prompt you to select a template. Choose a layout that fits the type of message you're sending. For example, a simple text-based layout is great for personal-style messages, while a more visual template works well for promotions or product updates. After you've selected a template, type in your subject line and the main content of your email. Take a moment to read it over, check for typos, and make sure any links are working correctly. When you're happy with it, click the Continue button at the bottom right of the screen. On the next screen, you'll decide when to send the broadcast. You can choose to send the email immediately by selecting Send Email, or, if you prefer to plan ahead, click the pencil icon to schedule the broadcast for a specific date and time. Scheduling is especially useful if you want emails to land during your audience's peak engagement hours. Once your timing is set and everything looks good, finish the process by clicking Send Broadcast. Kit will handle the rest and deliver your message according to the options you selected.